Hi, in this video we will look at the following main character. Buffalo, 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 buffalo. That's a grammatically correct sentence. Here's a similar one in Chinese. Mama qi ma, ma man, mama mama. It means mom is riding a horse. The horse moves slowly. Mom scolds the horse. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a horse running with its mane blowing in the wind. This is how the character looks today. It's a bit different from the ancient character, but this is the traditional character. Here you can better see the mane blowing in the wind on the top and the four legs running on the bottom. This character is pronounced ma and means horse. It is used in these words, ma shang, which means immediately, and ma lu, which means street or road. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, let's add a character that depicts an open mouth. In English, you know someone's asking a question when they use words like who, what, when, where, and why. In Chinese, there's a modal particle that you say at the end of a sentence to indicate that it's a question. This written character doesn't really have a meaning, but in speech, this character is pronounced ma and is used to ask a question. Like in these phrases, 你有时间吗? which means, do you have some time? And 你吃饭了吗? which means, did you eat? Here's another character. In written Chinese, there are times when the character on the right hints at the pronunciation, and the character on the left hints at what it means. Like in the character we just looked at, it describes when you say ma in a part of speech. It has nothing to do with a horse. So now, the character on the left means woman. This is describing when you say ma when talking about a woman. This character means mother and is pronounced ma. It is used in this word, mama, which means mom or mommy. Let's see another character. We're back to the main character. Now let's add some characters. The characters on top means add. What is something people add on to a horse? A saddle. Once you have added the saddle, you are ready to ride. This character is pronounced qiā and means ride. It also has the meaning of drive, fly, and sail. It is used in this word, 劳驾, which means excuse me. Here's the last character. Now the character on the right means all. This character depicts all the people gathered together to test out a horse. It's pronounced qiān and means test. The kind of testing you do with a horse is physically riding and experiencing it, which is different from testing in a lab. It is used in this word, 经验, which means experience. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.